Hey everybody, got a little bit of an issue with the van. The seat's not releasing. I did look this up. It is a problem that sometimes happens with the mechanism. You can see the headrest drops, but the seat's not releasing. So let's open it up and take a look. You can see there's a cover here. Carefully. It pops it free, and you can see there's 2 screws in there. Let's get these screws out. This lifts out a bit. Come on. And slides down. You can see this has seen better days. It's cracked. So there's 2 cables here. First cable is for the headrest, and the second cable is for the mechanism. So there's a wheel mechanism here on the spring, which pulls the cable, and looks like this side just shattered. All right, if you find yourself in this situation where you need to be able to drop the seat and you don't have a replacement, there is a way that you can swap these 2 cables. So if I pop this one out, and then you just line this up into there, into here. Now you can hear that the seat has released. Just try and hold this so we can demonstrate it. And you can see the seat's now released. So that's a quick fix if you need to. Just make sure your headrest is down so you can drop the seat. New handle. You can see here it's got both wheels actually intact. These are not cheap. I think it was about $130, either from Toyota Direct or from one of the auto parts things. I don't know if it's a knockoff. I found it on one of the online stores. It was like $30. So, you know what? I'll give it a try. If it fails, then I'll buy the original brand. But it looks to be just about a Direct, so I don't know. Maybe it's one of those stores where they have a few fall off the truck maybe, and then they sell them, don't know. So I'm gonna pop this out. Gonna line this up in here. And then angle it in. Oops, that's the wrong side. Okay, so this side's gonna go in here, angle it, and then the cable goes up into there, and then that goes into the slot. We'll take the headrest one, same thing, just be careful, these cables like to spring and they like to go up inside the seat. And also sharp metal, not good with knuckles, so just be careful. So same thing, line that up, feed it in, get everybody lined up, and it does like to pop out, so you just kind of have to hold it and snap them into place. So you can see there it's kind of sitting, and you gotta squeeze, pop it in, and then we're gonna jockey this up in place. Tuck this up into the behind the fabric. Let's do this here. It's gonna be easier to do this lying down. If you can see in here, there's a second layer of metal here. That goes into this slot here. So you need to get this aligned so that it slides in. There we go. That slid all the way, and now this will fall into place. Put the screws back in. Actually, don't fully tighten this until that one is in. I'll let it thread first. Now we'll snug them down. These tabs are going to sneak in. This is going to go in and then it snaps into place. So this is going to slide in and then snap in, and that's it. Okay, so pull that drops, and down it goes. All right, so hopefully this gives you an idea of what it takes to replace one of these handles in the event you have one that fails. This is a 2015 Toyota Sienna. Other models might be similar, but you know, this was, as I said, could be upwards of $130. You could get one cheaper, which is what I did. And if you can do it yourself, you might save yourself some bucks instead of going to a dealership or a body shop or something like that. As always, thank you so much for watching. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Leave a comment if you see something that I missed or did something a little different, or if you have a different idea, maybe a suggestion of where to get these a little bit cheaper than the full price from some of these other places. Till the next video, see you later.